get their picture taken.
Come on, in front of the camera.
I'll take a picture with you there.
Girls, come out here. We're gonna have a Halloween picture.
Oh, yay! I want to
Halloween picture, everybody. Halloween picture.
We have to get everyone, don't we?
Yeah, get everybody. Come on, guys.
$5 to anyone who takes a picture.
What?
What do you say? $5 for
I can just stand next to Johnny.
Darren, what do I do?
Chris.
Here, I'll take it. You go get in the picture.
No, I don't want to be in the picture.
Oh, okay, so it's okay for us to be in the picture.
Everybody kind of like crouch down. Crouch
You're
down.
Watch down.
Alright, we're going to do a Halloween photo. We're going to email it to all
This
your
is like a
friends.
sex picture.
Okay, here where you were.
Oh.
Alright.
Sex poses. Okay, not everyone's in. Brian, you lay across everybody's. No, you gotta lay across everybody's crotch.
This is going to be emailed to all your
Move your legs,
friends.
Billy.
And Brianna, you have to
I get the butt, okay?
get the legs on this chair.
Can I turn down the light a little bit?
Tell me when we're gonna take it.
Come on.
Can I just take a picture, Brian?
No, with the, okay, there we go. Perfect.
No, it isn't. You're not even looking at the camera. How do you know it's
Ready?
perfect?
Tell us when you're gonna do it.
All right, excellent, excellent. Ready? 1. Oh, this is good. Really good. Why are we?
Dustin looks cool.
Tell us about it. Billy,
Huh?
tell us about it.
What?
Tell us about how he looks cool. Okay, no. Wait, camera.
Go get there. Ready?
You can have any streaming services $12 or less per month and save money with each of the